Hi, welcome back to Graphics Slice channel. Today we are going to discuss how to prepare a GIF animation by using a butterfly image. So let's go to the Photoshop. So take a new file. So it's with the resolution of 1280 by 720 and resolution 72. So click create. So now we'll open a PNG file. So open PNG butterfly image. Just drag and drop the image and scale it. So according to the page size. So if I scale directly while animating this, so middle portion of the image will going to stretch, or else body of the image is going to stretch. See, like this middle portion is going to be stretch. That's why you need to crop it. See how it seems if I animate directly, so middle portion of the body will going to stretch. So that's why you need to crop a wings, then you need to apply a animation effect. So now I'm going to crop this wings of the butterfly by using polygon lasso selection tool. So with the help of polygon lasso selection tool, select it first wing and hold Ctrl key to select another one. So we selected both. Then so I'm going to copy it from the original layer. So better cut and paste. Okay, Ctrl X and Ctrl V. After that, so body is in another layer, wings is in another layer. So adjust the body. So if you want to stretch a little bit, you can stretch it. So now, so after adjusting the body, so next just copy the wings by using Ctrl J. So duplicate the layer. So use Ctrl J. So I'll duplicate 10 copies. So from 1 to 10 I prepared. So turn off all the layer except the top one. So topmost layer appears first. That's why I'm going to work from the top. So select the top layer and stretch it by using Ctrl T. So this is first layer. Then turn off it and select second one. Okay, just for reference purpose, leave it first layer, and with the help of reference of first layer, I'm going to stretch little bit more than the previous. Same way, with the help of reference of previous layer, just increase little bit. So like this continuously goes on. So use Ctrl T, stretch it. Same way, so do it for all layers. Yes, after completing of all the sets, so again do the reverse process for animation. While doing animation, we will do the reverse process. Okay, so 1 to 10 we prepared. Before going to animate, so turn off all the layers. So first one is available. So go to window tool in the timeline option. So create, click here, and here first image is by defaultly selected. So time scale is 0.1 to 10 seconds is available. I'm going to select 0.1. So next, create second layer, turn off first, second on, again create new, third on, second off, create new, same previous off, and turn on new. So do the same process for all layers. Same way, do it for all the layers. Return also same thing. So again, we are going to reverse the order. Just on turn off. So like this, we are going to prepare a animation. Create new, turn on new, turn off old. Create new. So after that, click play. You'll get the animation like this. See, so in previous, if I select a whole object, so including body will animate. So now it's good to see. Export animation by using export legacy option. File menu, in that we have a export legacy. So here by default GIF is available with the default settings, so no need to change anything. Just I'm going to click save. So store in particular anywhere in the particular folder. So I'm going to save. Click save. So GIF file is prepared. So the name of GIF, I saved the image. So just I'm going to play it. Don't open in a Photoshop. So directly I will play it with the help of image viewer. Just open it. See, you'll get the result. But the first one, see, middle portion is going to stretch. But now, see, only wings will stretch. So why? Because we use a polygonal lasso tool and we selected only wings to animate the GIF image. So I will provide this image in a description. Download it and try it. If you are new to this channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit like also. So thank you for watching the tutorial.